Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question number 31 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/1/3. The question goes like this. Find the ratio in which the x-axis divides the line segment joining the points -6, 5 and -4, -1. Also find the point of intersection. Let's go through the question again. Find the ratio. So we have to get m is to n, in which the x-axis divides the line segment joins this and this. So let the points be A and B. The coordinates of A is -6, 5 and the coordinates of B is -4, -1. There's a point P on the x-axis which divides this line segment. So let that point be named as P. The coordinates of P are x, 0. Since the point is on the x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. This P divides AB in the ratio m is to n. To solve this, let's use the section formula, which is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Here let the coordinates of A be x1, y1 and for B let it be x2, y2. So P of x, 0 is equal to m times x2 is -4 plus n times x1 is -6 upon m plus n, m times y2 is -1 plus n times 5 upon m plus n. Now comparing the left hand side and the right hand side, since we know the y coordinate, let's equate the y coordinates. Minus m plus 5n upon m plus n is equal to 0. Minus m plus 5n is equal to 0. Minus m is equal to minus 5n. So m upon n is equal to 5 upon 1. That is m is to n is 5 is to 1. That is the point P divides AB in the ratio 5 is to 1. One part of the question has been answered. Now the second thing is also find the point of intersection. Now let's equate the x coordinates, that is -4m minus 6n upon m plus n is equal to x. Now that we know m and n, let's substitute -4 times 5 minus 6 times 1 upon 5 plus 1 equal to x, minus 20 minus 6 upon 6 equal to x. That is x is equal to minus 26 upon 6. After reducing, we get minus 13 upon 3. Therefore, the point of intersection is minus 13 upon 3, 0. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.